Hello everyone, welcome to Sources class. So in this video again we will be continuing our discussion of the questions that we see pertaining to the test of mathematics. So our sole intention would be to identify the questions that are generally being asked in this kind of examinations and also try and understand the ideal approach towards solving the same. So having said all of that, let's take a look at the question in front of us. The equation of the circle with center in the first quadrant and radius half such that 15y equal to 8x and x-axis are both tangent to the circle. Okay, is so we need to find circle. So it's given that the radius is half. Okay, so let center be h comma 1 by 2. Okay, now as far as the radius is concerned, we can write 8h minus 15 by 2 divided by root under 8 square plus 15 square equal to 1 by 2. We solve the same, it comes out to be 8h minus 8h 15 by 2 equal to half. So 64 plus this will be 25 of 64 plus 9 289, that is 17 by 2. Therefore at h equal to 17 by 2 plus 15 by 2, so this will be 32 by 2 or 16. So therefore h will be 2. Okay, so the value of h is 2. Now therefore equation will be given by x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 by 2 whole square equal to r square or the radius square. So this can be x square minus 2x plus 4 plus y square plus 1 by 4 minus y equal to 1 by 4. These terms gets cancelled. Okay, so therefore x square plus y square minus, if we take a look at the x, 4x, my bad. Be 4x minus 4x minus y and plus 4 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore option B is the correct answer. So I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. All we need to do was find the coordinates of the center, and with respect to that we could have easily found the equation. So in case you are having any kind of difficulty to solving the same, I suggest you go through the video as many times as you like, so that you can get a clear understanding of the concept, and then try to solve the question on your own with the video as a reference. So having said all of that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, for then we keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So having said all of that, I'd like to sign out. Thank you so much.